Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to install ChromeOS Flex on your PC or laptop. A simple way to breathe new life into your old computer and make it fast like a Chromebook. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on any computer and search for ChromeOS Flex Download. Click on the official link from Google's Chrome Enterprise website. Once you're there, scroll down and click Try ChromeOS Flex. You'll see an option to Install using USB. Click that and then select Get Chrome Recovery Utility. This is a Chrome extension that creates a bootable USB installer. Now, plug in an empty 8 GB or larger USB drive. Open the Chromebook Recovery Utility extension. Click Get Started, then choose Select a Model from a list. Under Manufacturer, pick Google Chrome OS Flex, and under Product, choose Chrome OS Flex Developer Unstable. Then click Continue. Select your USB drive and hit Create Now. The process will take a few minutes as it downloads and writes Chrome OS Flex to your USB stick. Once it's done, safely eject the USB and plug it into the computer where you want to install Chrome OS Flex. Now, restart your PC and press the boot key. That's usually F12, F9, Escape, or Delete depending on your computer brand. Select your USB drive from the boot menu, and Chrome OS Flex will start loading. When the installer screen appears, you'll see two options: Try it first or Install Chrome OS Flex. If you want to test it before installing, choose the Try It option. It'll run directly from the USB without changing your files. But if you're ready to make it permanent, click Install Chrome OS Flex. Then follow the prompts. Select your drive, confirm installation, and wait for it to complete. The installation usually takes 10 to 15 minutes depending on your computer speed. When it's done, your system will reboot automatically. Now you'll see the Chrome OS setup screen. Connect to Wi-Fi, sign in with your Google account, and set up your preferences. That's it! Your old PC or laptop is now running Chrome OS Flex. Fast, secure, and simple. You can browse the web, use Google Docs, YouTube, Drive, and other cloud apps just like on a Chromebook. And remember, Chrome OS Flex doesn't support Android apps yet, but it's perfect for anyone who mostly works online and wants a lightweight, modern system. Enjoy your new Chrome OS Flex experience and bring your old computer back to life. Subscribe the channel for more videos.